we could just start right off the bat.
Right.
What caused you? When was the first time you get that fear there?
Well, the first time me get the fear, and when me hear the news, when me see the news,
Mm-hmm.
and all the policeman them going at the house and take out the man them and handcuff them and push them and go on with them. By God, that make me fear. Because me remember when me there at Curacao, I see him, so the policeman and them do with the illegal people them.
Yeah.
And, a car used to pick me up from work and carry me home. And the way all me fear, me lie down in the car. Me no make nobody see me only the driver you can see. Me never even used to sleep at the house where me rent. Me used to go sleep by my friend house.
Okay.
Because me think
So you have that in your mind from the time they are Curacao.
yes,
So
because when me
but hold on, not maybe you go too far. So pan a deal after you see the news are what initiate it. A news start the fear, right?
yes,
The
that
news
bring me
pan
back.
what? The news pan where Trump where we see ice that take out the
Yes.
people. So that bring you back to Curacao days.
Yeah.
Because as it to give people in some context, you used to live at Curacao. How is it that because when you're there over here now, right?
Yeah.
You have papers. You're not illegal in America.
No, but
You're not illegal. No, hold on. It is not a question. Because I know I'm a file for you. You see me? You have your green card. So why you frightened?
because me hear Trump say even the immigrants who have green card or have documents, they're going to put them out. So that make me get the fear. And because
Because even though you have your green
even
card, you
have
feel like say the
even
Trump
them
still
drive, even you're walking on the road, they just feel the jeep just drive up and just pick you up. So that bring the fear in me that me don't want to come out of the house. Me lock down the blinds.
Yeah,
And
cause
me
me
take
see
my
it.
time and peep through the blinds if me see anybody coming up the stairs. And then would I run.
If you see anybody that come,
Yeah, would I run go in the room. And then me wouldn't open the door if me hear any knocking or whatsoever. So that's why that's
but
the
even
fear.
though you have the green card,
Yeah, even though me have the green card.
and you say this come from just the fact from the Curacao experience.
Yes, from the curious experience, I'm fearful. Like I don't like police, and I don't. Man, it's not easy. When I look the TV and see how
So when you say TV, you mean you
look at
watch
the
certain
news.
things on YouTube
Yes,
and the news and whatever.
yes.
So people, what the people must say on YouTube?
But me not hear the people them when them pick up say anything. But me hear when the police say they're going to scrape them and they're going to go into the latter ends and to pick them up.
Then which part then they them are go for them.
Right. Any which part then they might go coffee them because Trump say as even if you document, even they're going to search you.
No, but the cause illegal people them a look for.
Oh,
But
man.
I've got 5 years say, as me say.
But if me hear the people them and the community, the people them and the news too, them say even American have to walk with ID.
And that me I hear too
Yes.
say you have to have anyway you have to
If you
have
have
ID
ID.
and all.
Exactly.
But
So
but you see
that bring more fear in me. Because if me going out of the road now and a policeman stop me, I mean, no.
yeah, but you see, but you're not illegal. And that me I say, you're not illegal, but that the fact say because you just feel like say, even though you're legal, they can still take you away
Yeah,
because now you say you're bad.
Because exactly, and that is why bring the fear in me.
Because you're not citizen, and not hear you're bad.
Exactly, and then now even then, me even have the right. Me don't understand the system.
The system. Oh, okay.
Exactly.
Okay,
Me not understand the system when me can argue with them.
Oh, like you tell them, say, boy,
Yeah.
that me have the right here, me have that, you're not really.
So it's right. So that's why that fear come in me. If me go in the supermarket, you see how fast me run and pick up to them, take food. Yeah,
You say, because me can remember when me say wait, every time I come out, the place dark, the blinds them
everywhere lock up.
everywhere lock up. And then me I realize say, are you a lock up the place? Remember me always I even say to you say, why you don't walk up the blinds them and then you oh yeah man, me walk them later. But me then I realize say that a go on.
Yeah, man, the
Then I realize
fear in me. And every minute me go to the blind and me peep. And me say, if we see anybody coming out. So
So want to like when you got a doctor office and something there. Because remember you never even want to go to the doctor office.
no, me never want to go nowhere. Me never want to come out of the house. But now that's sometimes I really have to go to the doctor. It's a lot of fear.
Frightened
me.
even
Yes,
while
with the frightened even
so
when
so
in
so
the taxi.
no, even now you still no right now. Because I remember when me find out say that I go on and me explain to you until you say Ray, you know, you have your papers, so you know if you be so frightened. So you still have the fear right now?
Yeah, me still fear because you know
As much as them time there before
well,
me
me tell
explain
you,
it to you.
I fear that right now I would have never go to Jamaica.
All of this time, even after me explain the situation to you, say you have paperwork, you still feel like say at some point them are gonna come and get you, and no matter even if you have papers, you still are go.
You still are gonna go catch me because me hear it on the WBS news that some girls go to Jamaica for Christmas, and when they're coming back, they have the green card, and when they're coming back, they send them back.
Deny them entry?
Yes, they deny them entry. Nobody tell me that.
Oh, you have to waste it on the news.
Me list it on the news and then play it more than one time.
So because they play more one time. So you would have got Jamaica right now?
No. No.
You're not trouble out of country.
No.
Because that fear.
That's a fear. Another fear come up again.
So you don't want to go to that country because you feel like if you go, they're not going to let you back in.
Not to Jamaica. Not to Jamaica. Not Jamaica. I will go anywhere in the US.
Oh, you mean you're not traveling outside the country?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
And the fear. So you say, and all of this, primarily, it come from, because basically, you have PTSD, you know, which is, you know, post-traumatic stress disorder. Meaning, because you go through them situation, they are curious, so it come like a curious day all over.
Let me relive it. Yes.
Because in a curious them small island, the police and immigration are more aggressive.
Yeah.
They pick you up anywhere. They see you up on the road and just grab you and throw you
in the car.
And that you feel like that are going. How you feel knowing say Curacao is in America kind of you get the same vibe.
Yeah.
How that make you feel?
That's why me feel bad because me always hear you know America you have privilege even you're illegal you're privileged to go up and down and now to see what happening now you know because when you
and no but when this other disclaimer when I promote no illegal activity and when I say nobody if you come here and run off or whatever.
No.
But we just say when ain't things say to that get to this right now where people who have them papers still frightened.
Still fear. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's the fear.
You never feel like
we shouldn't fear. We shouldn't have no fear.
You have a green card and you're still
have a green card and you're frightened still. You shouldn't have that fear. Because you and like say you buy it or you get it on the table.
Proper,
you go this proper way to get
process,
it.
Exactly. Me file for you. Me pay all of the money them where they send me for pay. Complete all of the documentation where they send me complete. And you get with your papers, you come across, you get your green card. But yet still it just seem like even with the green card, you're still not safe.
You're still not safe because of what them doing now, what the government, what the prime minister say.
You mean the president?
The Trump. President.
Yeah, but you see, that's why I try to tell you, sometimes you have to be careful of the YouTube thing. No, that's YouTube, but people where I push out news in general. Because not every one of them I push out the correct
the
news.
correct thing.
Some of
Yeah.
them come and I push out news where they just are frightening people.
Yeah, because you really now, little by little, me start to
The fear of go down.
go down. I mean, I really listen to them anymore. Listen to the things them when I have to say
You have
on
to
YouTube.
decipher.
Me have to try. Me I try
Educate yourself.
get out of the fear and get out of listen what people say.
Exactly. You have to understand it. You understand the laws and understand they get the correct information. But as I said, enough of them they just are frightened you. That's why I sit down and I talk to you and explain everything to you.
Yeah.
But me know say that in itself, it still now got 100% get rid of the fear because you have the fear from the trauma where you go through a Curacao. Because they basically what them are doing now, basically what they do a Curacao. So I understand
so that
with
fear
that.
just
But you have to
come
try
back.
Yeah.
That fear they just come back in you.
So you ever feel like at any point in time since ICE them a take up the people at any point in time you ever feel safe even to this day? You ever feel safe like no, I'm good? You ever feel that?
No.
From the whole thing start with Trump come in,
Trump come in, it's just still feel like if maybe me walking down the road, me just hear
somebody will pick you up.
Right. But I want that fear they feel leave me still, you know. But I really want that fear they feel leave me and stop lock up the window and peep through.
Because I notice say stop. We notice say stop, because no, even today. I remember yesterday me I said to you, say, well, why the kitchen window, the blinds them always turned down and the curtain draw. You see me? So me know you not stop. You see me? I say so, but me I say you have to, because at the end of the day, you have to live. You have to live. And you know a worst thing, because I say that video there when I put out, it's the most popular video on the channel, and enough people watch it and comment and them thing there, and them I say them feel the pain, because enough people I feel the same way like how you feel.
Yeah.
You get me? And it's so sad for say people are in that frame of mind. You see me? I say, and maybe you come and share your story now, it can help somebody else where I watch it, as I say. But you have to you have to live your life. You have to live your life in spite of what Trump do. You get what I say? You still have to live. You can't make the politician them or make Trump or whoever do stop you from live and enjoy life. As we say, if you have to carry your ID, carry your ID. You understand? But not afraid to come out, not afraid to walk me a win down and something, because you see me just have a faith, me just know say, you're a God fearing person, you believe in a God. I mean, pray and trust in your God, and you have your papers, then you're not illegal. So you have to just try to cut back from the fear there and just live.
That's what I'm trying to do now. Just try to take away the bit, ask God to take away the fear. Guys, even this morning, me alone walk to church.
Yeah.
And me never really fear.
Which you did not do that.
No.
Couple weeks ago or a month ago, you did not do that. You didn't want to come out.
Exactly.
You see, me tell you go down at the park, you don't want to go down
at the park. You must stop go to supermarket.
Yeah, you used to walk out the supermarket over there, and you know do it no more.
But but me try now, we take me like a time and me say, God, carry me through. Now make the fear keep me down in the house no more. So I try get out of it.
For real. Yeah, you have to, because you can't just stop live. Kind of for 4 years, What you gonna do? Hide for 4 years?
4 years. No,
and you say you're afraid to go to Jamaica, son. Like you can't go to Jamaica and go hide for 4 years. So what you gonna do? You're there already, and so you live and whatever. You have to just live and just enjoy yourself. So what you would have say to a person where we're in the same position like where you're in? What you would have said to that person?
Well, I would have said to that person,
tell the people, man.
Just pray to the Lord, ask Him to take away this fear from you, and just try and live your life. That's what I'm trying to do now. I'm just trying to live my life And I say, you know, I'm going out on the road. I'm going to the pool. I'm going to the park. But I don't think I'm going to open the window yet.
You don't reach a level there yet.
We don't reach a
You
level
don't reach a
yet
level there.
to open the window. So, but little by little, the fear, it all will go.
Yeah, but if you're there, at the park, you know, open than if you're there at the house and the
But
window
at the
open.
park, whole heap of people in the park. But
Oh, yesterday we catch somebody,
right.
they couldn't catch you.
Right.
Oh man,
Whole
I
heap
tell
of
you.
people in the park.
Yeah,
But if they come to the window now, I mean the kitchen. As
they
I
know
see
see
are
again.
they?
But as I say, people, this is just a follow-up video
Yeah.
upon the video where we do when me that tell her say she fearful and how she there go through when she a pray the news them all the immigration them a take up people. So as me say, wanna get it from she herself, Miss Lana, my old lady, my mother. You wanna get it from her, you see me? So everybody will watch a video there and the one who see she there
Here,
and she tell you the full story of how she feel, where the feeling a come from. You see me? I say, and how she a try to get over this fear. You see me? So hopefully for anybody who they want get more upon the story, hopefully we cover everything. And if we not cover anything else, if we not cover everything and you want to know, write it in the comments. And if you want to have a question for Miss Lana, write it in the comments and we will ask her and we will do a follow-up video to answer the questions. You see me? I say, so we're there again. And man, we are say to the people,
blessing.
blessing. So, for everybody, thank you very much for watching. And until the next video, bless upon yourself.